This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace windshield wipers on a 2014 BMW X3. Lift the wiper arm away from the glass and locate the release tab on the blade, then depress the tab while sliding the blade off the hook connector. Inspect the arm for corrosion and wipe the windshield clean so new blades seat properly. Work one side at a time. Remove blades starting with the passenger side to keep better access on the driver's side. Hold the arm steady, press the small release tab, and pull the blade downward to release from the hook. Avoid letting the arm snap back onto the glass. Check the adapter type on the old blade so the new one matches, and keep the old blade for comparison if needed. Fit the replacement blade by aligning its adapter to the wiper arm hook and sliding until you hear a secure click. Gently lower the arm onto the glass to prevent chips, then repeat for the other side. Start the wipers briefly to confirm smooth operation and full blade contact. If you see streaks or skipping, reseat the blade or clean the windshield and blade edge for correct performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.